Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on and say, man, I've had a good week. I've had 3 separate women call me and tell me that they're either debt free or they can see the end of being debt free. So there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And this is motivation, hopefully inspiration for you to do the same. Right? If we want to potentially become the top 1% of your country or the world, we got to start with becoming the top 10 and the top 20. And the easiest way to become the top 20% of in the US and the UK and in Australia is to stop living paycheck to paycheck. 4 out of 5 people are living paycheck to paycheck. Meaning if you simply get out of debt, everything except for your mortgage, if you have one, you become automatically in the top 20%. Simply by getting out of debt. Now you can do that, and then the next steps is the top 10%, and the next step with top 5, top 1. This I want to reiterate because we have to take the steps that lead us in the right direction. For example, I've been debt-free for 9 years. I'm well on my way to being the wealthiest of the wealthy, right? So I'm part of the elite group. Now that will take time, and it may not happen until I'm 60, 70, 90. I don't know yet. But I do know that the fastest way to build wealth and the easiest way to build wealth is to get out of debt and stay out of debt. Because when I don't give my money to the bank, I get to keep it. And then I get to keep it, and then I get to invest it. And then it gets to grow for me. So again, this is motivation for you to get out of debt and know that there are other people. Some of these women were single, some were married. It doesn't matter. Just make traction, make progress. It's now March 2021 and March 2020. We've had a year of this whole global pandemic. Now, what about March in 2022? Where do you want to be sitting 12 months from now? That's my homework assignment for you today. Answer the question, where do you want to be in 12 months?